Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Yamaha Bolt C-Spec. This V-twin cafe style cruiser just arrived with only 19,000 miles. Really cool styling. It's got the low clip-on handlebars, little mini fly screen, beautiful silver paint scheme, brand new rear tire, piggyback shocks. It's got the fender eliminator. Come on by, make your Bolt C-Spec dreams come true for just $69.99. I love the fork boots on the front. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Cobra exhaust. So awesome. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.